But people will not come again. Today, na 10th of February 2025. Yes, for court today, they say APC don't carry witness come. How the election thing go? Say now they win the election and all their witnesses and all that. They say now only one. The first small go enter inside the court, according to our brother who I want listen to. So, they say that one now. Then they ask her a question for inside court. You know if you talk. My people may not be like saying, I make all the narrator, might not go make mistake. We're gonna listen to our brother.
My people, now good afternoon. My name is Good Luck Osarity, and I bring you an update from the courts. Today, now the 10th of February 2025. So normal, everybody go court today. Tony Azebemi na lead PDP side. Honorable Marcus Onobu dey there. Senator Egil Zame dey there. Don Pedro dey there. Right Honorable Friday Tula dey there. Then for the APC side, na full house, I don't feel mention their names finish. Honorable Momo dey there when the minister. Ajoto dey there. Shuaibu dey there. Odubu dey there. Urohi dey there. Then plenty. Jarrett Tenenbe, the state chairman dey there. Sit down where we wear suit. So, 9 case can start. Una know say today, na Okpebulu lawyer, na he return to present their witness. After INEC don't close their case last time. So today, na Okpebulu turn. Now they come bring one witness come. The witness are from Ovia Southwest local government. Now from Denko local government. Now they bring the guy come. As he just marked witness boss. Just 2 questions when they ask us, based on the paper when they your hand like this. Wait till you talk, read the occur for the police unit when they bring you come, make you come defend. Now so the guy say, I don't understand, ask him again. Now the PDP lawyer can't ask him again. Even the tribunal can't help him understand the question well. As the guy look the paper, he just look around like this, look everywhere around. And I say, I beg, I don't feel talk lie. Over voting, they read the occur there. Now there, everybody, everywhere bust. As he just do that one, PDP lawyer say, he not get more question again. As it can't happen, now so Okpebulu lawyer just quickly stand up. He say, with the way this thing be like this witness don't do okay. They rely on the one where PDP don't bring, where the PDP witness don't talk. Say they rely on that one. Because who praise PDP witness, say they be brilliant statisticians. So I don't feel interpret that one for English, and I know what it mean. So after that, I can't be the turn of the APC. Now that be the third respondent. Those who come back court say, may they give them till Wednesday. May they prepare their witness, whether they go fit come court so that they go assess them. Now court say no, may not bring them come on Wednesday. Either the case continue or not leave her like that. So now so it happened for court today. Now Wednesday now, next tomorrow night we go meet again. Una well done.
Now people, una hear wetin our brother Good Luck Osarity talk. If they tell us now, say everybody wey dey court, how they take present, Marcus Onobu, the other one, that one not be my problem. My main concern now be witness. They say the witness when they carry come, they ask a question, they say, you say, they say, he said, you say. My people, you know, I'm not saying normally to go for court, go testify for waiting you know, say not be truth, and prison. If Nigeria na country where they work, normally na prison. If na waiting you know, I don't get any issue with that one, no. But if na waiting you don't know, regardless of the amount they have paid you, you can't court, you can't testify, you can't give witness, you can't talk, say you did there and you know they there. Now so it happen, and not be so it happen. My brother, my sister, na prison, no. Now prison, no. Put your life on the line for our politicians. Our politicians don't care about you, they don't care about me, they don't care about us. You will end up in prison. After the case, you will end up in prison. That's just my advice. Now people waiting on think for waiting happen today. They don't postpone everything now to Wednesday. Now Wednesday, we will come back and give you an update. Although extensively by 7 p.m. today for NAIJA Watch Media, join us. Make we talk about this matter. Our people, I here now will draw the line.